Welcome to this channel. Let us solve the following problems. The size of an interior angle of a regular polygon is 156 degrees. Find the number of sides of the polygon. Properties of a regular polygon. Properties of a regular polygon. All sides are equal. All angles are equal. So a regular polygon, we can just sketch it roughly here. We don't know the number of sides, but we are being told that the interior angle is 156 degrees. The size of an interior angle of a regular polygon is 156 degrees. So because all angles are equal in a regular polygon, then it means that all these other angles are 156 degrees. 156 degrees. And from here we can find the exterior angle. This is a straight line. We can find the exterior angle, that is this angle here. We can find it by subtracting 156 from 180 degrees. 156, and that is giving us 24 degrees. So the exterior angle is 24 degrees. We can also extend this one 24 degrees. We extend this one 24 degrees. We extend the other one 24 degrees. We know from the formula that for all polygons, exterior angles for all polygons, exterior angles add up to 360 degrees. For all polygons, exterior angles add up to 360 degrees. For all polygons, the formula is that all exterior angles add up to 360 degrees. So from here we have found that each exterior angle is equal to 24 degrees. So now how can we get the number of sides of this polygon? Number of sides of this polygon. So it is going to be 360 degrees divided by 24 sides. So when we divide that, we are going to end up with 15 sides. 15 sides. The size of an interior angle of a regular polygon is 156 degrees. Find the number of sides of the polygon. So the number of sides of this polygon is 15 sides, and that is the answer, 15 sides. In the figure below, ABCDE is a regular pentagon and M is the midpoint of AB. DM intersects EB at N. Find the size of angle BAE, that is part A. Part B, find the size of angle BED. So first of all, we need to know the properties of a regular pentagon. The properties of a regular pentagon is all sides are equal, all angles are the same. All sides are equal and all angles are similar. The formula for finding the sum of interior angles of a pentagon is given by it is given by 180 into n minus 2 degrees. That's the formula. And from here, this is a regular pentagon. And how many sides do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are having 5 sides of this pentagon. So from here we can get the angle of each interior angle of this pentagon. It is given by 180 into n. N is the number of sides. So that is 5 minus 2, which is equal to 180 times 3, which is equal to 180 times 3 is 540 degrees. 540 degrees. So how can we find each interior angle over this pentagon? Each interior angle is given by 540. It is going to be 540 degrees divided by the number of sides. 540 degrees divided by the number of sides, which is 5. We divide by 5, and here we are going to have each interior angle to be 108 degree. 108 degree. So we know that all the angles are similar here in this pentagon. All the interior angles are similar. So this interior angle is 108. It is similar to this interior angle, to this interior angle, to this interior angle, to this interior angle. Therefore this angle is 108 degrees, because this is one of the properties of a regular pentagon. All angles are the same. So this is 108 degrees. So our part A, find the size of angle BAE. Angle BAE is 108 degrees. What about angle BED? Angle BED angle BED. This is BED. Angle BED. What about this angle? This angle here. We want to find this angle here. From here you can see that this is a triangle. This is a triangle, and one of the properties of a regular pentagon is that all the sides are equal. All the sides, this side is equal to this side, is equal to this side, is equal to this side, is equal to this side. So from here you can see this is a triangle. This is a triangle, and we have already got this angle to be 108, and this side is the same as this side. The size of this side is the same as the size of this side. So it means this is an isosceles triangle. This is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. This is an isosceles triangle. Already we have got this angle to be 108. So this side is the same as this side. So it means that we can get this angle and this angle. And this angle is equal to this angle, because this is an isosceles triangle. This angle is equal to this angle. So we can get the two angles by 180 degrees minus 108 degrees. 180 degrees minus 108 degrees, and that is giving us 72 degrees. So this angle plus this angle is giving us 72 degrees. This angle plus this angle here is giving us 72 degrees, and this angle is the same as this angle. This angle is the same as this angle. So it means we divide this by 2 in order to get this angle and this angle. And when we divide that by 2, this is 36 degrees. So it means this angle is 36 degrees. That angle is 36 degrees. And we already know that this angle as a whole is 108 degrees. Because all the interior angles of a pentagon, regular pentagon, they are the same. They are the same. This is 108 degrees, 108 degrees, 108 degrees, 108 degrees. This is also 108 degrees. So for us to get angle BED, it is going to be, BED is going to be 108 minus 36. 108 degrees minus 36 degrees. 108 minus 36. So that is 108 minus 36 degrees to 72. So our angle BED is going to be 72 degrees. So this angle here is going to be 72 degrees. It's going to be 72 degrees. The size of each interior angle of a regular polygon is 5 times the size of the exterior angle. Find the number of sides of the polygon. The size of each interior angle of a regular polygon is 5 times the size of the exterior angle. So we can say that let x be the we can say that let x be the size of each exterior angle. So this is x, and we are being told that the size of each interior angle of a regular polygon is 5 times the size of the exterior angle. So it means that this angle is 5x. This angle is 5x degrees. And we know that the properties of a regular polygon, all angles are equal, all sides are equal. Those are the properties of a regular polygon. Properties. So the properties of a regular polygon: all angles are equal, all sides are equal. Now we can see from here that this is a straight line, which means that 5x plus x is supposed to give us 180 degrees. 180 degrees. So now we can say that this is we can put it down here. 5x plus x is equal to 180 degrees. 6x degrees is equal to 180 degrees. We divide by 6. X is equal to 30 degrees. So it means that this angle is 30 degrees, and this other angle is 5 times 30, which is equal to 150 degrees. 150 degrees. The size of each interior angle of a regular polygon is 5 times the size of the exterior angle. Find the number of sides of the polygon. Now we know that the sum of x exterior angles of a polygon is always 360 degrees. 360 degrees. So now we can say that hence the number of sides will be 360 degrees. We divide by this angle 30 degrees. We divide by 30 degrees, angle of one side. So when we divide this one, we end up with 12. So the number of sides of this polygon is 12 sides. 12 sides. That is the number of sides. The size of an interior angle of a regular polygon is 6.5 times that of its exterior angle. Determine the number of sides of the polygon. So this is our sketch of the polygon. The size of an interior angle of a regular polygon is 6.5 times that of its exterior angle. So you can say that we can say that let the size of exterior angle be x. So here this is x. Then it means that the size of the interior angle is 6.5 of x degrees. The size of exterior angle x. The size of interior angle 6.5x. Then from here we can see that this is a straight line, so we can say that 6.5 x degrees plus x degrees, because this is a straight line, is equal to 180 degrees. 6 times 2, 12, or you can say 6.5x plus x. 6.5 x degrees plus x degrees is 6 plus, just like 6 plus 1 x degrees is 7.5 x degrees is equal to 180 degrees. 7 times 2 is 14 plus 1, 15 over 2 x degrees is equal to 180 degrees. We can cross multiply. 15x degrees is equal to 180 degrees times 2. 15x degree is equal to 360 degrees. We can divide by 15. We can divide by 15. X is equal to this is 1, this is 24. So x is equal to 24. X is equal to 24 degrees. So it means that our x here is equal to 24 degrees. Determine the number of sides of the polygon. This is a regular polygon. All sides are equal. All angles are equal. So the formula for finding the sum of exterior angle of a polygon is it is 360 degrees. The sum of the exterior angle of a regular polygon is always 360 degrees. The sum of exterior angle of a regular polygon is always 360 degrees. Then now we want to determine the number of sides of the polygon. So the number the number of sides of the polygon is equal to 360 degrees, we divide by the angle of one side, that is x. We divide by x degrees, which is equal to 360 divided by 24. 360 divided by 24 is equal to 15 sides. So the size of this polygon is 15 sides. The interior angles of an octagon are 2x degrees, a half x degree, x plus 40 degrees, 110 degrees, 135 degrees, 160 degrees, 2x plus 10 degrees, and 185 degrees. Find the value of x. So first of all, an octagon. An octagon has got 8 sides. An octagon has got 8 sides. The formula for finding the sum of interior angles is given by 180 into bracket n minus 2 degrees. The formula for finding the sum of interior angles of a polygon is given by 180 into bracket n minus 2 degrees. So from here we are given that the interior angles of an octagon are 2x up to 185 degrees. Then it means that when we add all these angles, we are supposed to get 180 into bracket n minus 2 degrees, and in this case n is equal to 8. N is representing the size, and here octagon is having 8 sides. So we can say that 180 into bracket 8 minus 2, which is equal to 180 times 6. 180 times 6, which is equal to 1080 degrees. So it means that when we add these figures here, we are going to equate it to 180 degrees. So it means that now this is a 2x 2x degrees plus half x degrees plus x plus 40 degrees plus 110 degrees plus 135 degrees plus 160 degrees plus 2x plus 10 degrees plus 185 degrees is going to give us 1080 degrees. So from here, when we add 2x to half x to x to 2x, we are going to end up with 5 2x degrees to half x degrees to x degrees. We add to 2x degrees, we are going to end up with 5.5 x degrees. Then we add to, this is 40 degrees plus 110 degrees plus 135 degrees plus 160 degrees plus 10 degrees plus 185 degrees. That is going to give us 640 degrees, which is equal to 1080 degrees. So this is 5.5. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1, 11. 11 over 2x degrees is equal to 1080 degrees. Positive 640 degrees, we bring it this other side. It becomes negative 640 degrees. Negative 640 degrees, which is equal to 440 degrees. 440 degrees. 11 over 2x degrees is equal to 440 degrees. We can cross multiply. 11x degrees is equal to 2 times 440 degrees. 11x degrees is equal to 880 degrees. We can divide by 11. We can divide by 11. X is equal to, this is 80 degrees. Find the value of x. The value of x is 80 degrees. The sum of interior angles of a regular polygon is 1800 degrees. Find the size of each exterior angle. The formula for finding the sum of interior angles of a polygon is The formula for finding the sum of interior angles of a polygon is 180 into bracket n minus 2 degrees. So now we are given that find the sum of interior angles of a regular polygon. The sum of interior angles of a regular polygon is 1800 degrees. Find the size of each exterior angle. So now we can say that 180 into bracket n minus 2 degrees is equal to 1800 degrees. So this is n minus 2. We can divide here by 180. We divide here by 180. We divide here by 180. So n minus 2 is equal to so when we divide by 180, what are we going to get from here? 180. So this is 180 divided by that. This one cancels this one here. 180, 1, 1. 18, 1, 18, 10. So n minus 2 is equal to 10. N minus 2 is equal to 10. N is equal to 10. Negative 2, when we bring it this other side, it becomes positive, plus 2. N is equal to 12. So the size of this polygon, they are 12. The number of sides, number of sides of the number of sides of this polygon is 12. Find the size of each exterior angle. So this is how can we find, first of all, interior angle? Each interior angle. How can we find the size of each interior angle? We are given the total angle, the total interior angle to be 1800. So it will be 1800 degrees. We divide by the number of sides, which is equal to 12, and that is going to give us 150 degrees. So each of our interior angle is 150 degrees. 150 degrees. Find the size of each exterior angle. Now what about each exterior angle? We can extend. We extend this one here. This is a straight line. We want to find this exterior angle. The exterior angle. What is the size of that exterior angle? You can see that this is a straight line, and a straight line is 180 degrees. So the exterior angle is going to be 180 degrees minus 150 degrees. 180 degrees minus 150 degrees, and this is going to give us 30 degrees. Find the size of each exterior angle. So each exterior angle is equal to 180 degrees minus 150 degrees, which is equal to 30 degrees. So the size of each exterior angle is 30 degrees. 30 degrees. Exterior angle of a regular hexagon is x. Find the size of each interior angle of the hexagon. An hexagon has got 6 sides. An hexagon has got 6 sides. Given that the exterior angle of a regular hexagon is x, so it means that the exterior angle here is x, and because we are dealing with a regular hexagon, it means that all the angles are the same, all the exterior angles are the same, and all the interior angles are the same, all the sides are the same. So those are the properties of a polygon. That is the property of a regular polygon. The properties of a regular polygon are all the sides are the same, all the angles are the same. So from here, given that the exterior angle of a regular hexagon is x, find the size of each interior angle of the hexagon. So this is a straight line, and now that we are given exterior angle to be x degrees, then it means that the interior angle here is going to be 180 degrees minus x. So that is going to be the interior angle. So we know that the sum of exterior angles of a polygon is always 360 degrees. The sum of exterior angles of a polygon is always 360 degrees. Now from here we can find how many, we can find the angle, the exterior angle. We can find the exterior angle x here from here. So now we know that a hexagon has got 6 sides. So it means that in order for us to get x here, it is going to be 360 degrees. We divide by the number of sides, which is 6, divided by 6, which is going to give us a 60. It's going to give us 60 degrees. So it means that that's going to give us 360 degrees divided by 6, which is equal to 60 degrees. So this is the value for x. So our x here is a 60 degrees. Now what is the interior angle here? It will be 180 minus 60 degrees, which is going to be 120 degrees. 120 degrees. Find the size of each interior angle of the hexagon. Each interior angle of the hexagon is going to be 180 minus x. That is 180 degrees minus x degrees, which is equal to 180 degrees minus 60 degrees. Each interior angle of the hexagon is going to be 180 degrees minus x degrees, which is equal to 180 degrees minus 60 degrees, which is equal to 120 degrees. So each interior angle of the hexagon is going to be 120 degrees. Angular polygon is 24 times the size of the exterior angle. Find the number of sides of the polygon. That is part A. Part B, name the polygon. So let the size of the polygon be n. Let the sides of the polygon be n. So a polygon is just like something like this sketch here. The sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon is 24 times the size of the exterior angle. So let the size of the polygon be n. The sum of exterior angles over a polygon is always 360 degrees. The sum of exterior angles of a polygon is always 360 degrees. So from here it means that each exterior angle can be given as each exterior angle. How can we find each exterior angle? It is a 360 divided by the number of sides, which is n, the number of sides. So we can say that this exterior angle here, exterior angle a regular polygon, the properties of a regular polygon properties are all the sides are equal, all the angles are equal. So we can take this to be an external angle. So it will be 360 degrees divided by n. So that will be the external, each external angle will be 360 degree divided by n sides. The formula for finding the sum of interior angles of a regular polygon The formula for finding the sum of interior angles of a polygon is given by 180 into bracket n minus 2 degrees. So it means that when we are being told that the sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon is 24 times the size of the exterior angle, then it means that 180 into bracket n minus 2 degrees is equal to 360 over n. That is 360 over n. 360 over n, the exterior angle, times 24 times 24. So now we can say that 180 into n minus 2 is equal to 360 over n times 24. We can divide by 180 here, we can divide by 180 here. N minus 2 is equal to n minus 2 is equal to 9 goes here 2, 9 goes here 4, 9 goes into 18 2, 9 goes into 36 4, 2 goes here 1, 2 goes here 2. $360 times 24 over n times 180. Zero, zero. 9 goes into 18 two times. 9 goes into 36 4 times. 4 times. Then 2 goes into 4. 2 goes into 4 2 times. So this is 2 times 24, which is equal to 48. 48. 2 times 24, which is equal to 48. And this is over n. So you can say that this is over 1. We can cross multiply. We cross multiply n into n minus 2 is equal to 1 times 48 n times n is n squared, n times negative 2 is minus 2n is equal to 48. 2n squared minus 2n, we can bring 48, positive 48 this side, it becomes negative, minus 48 is equal to 0. N squared minus 2n minus 48 is equal to 0. We can solve this one by factorizing. We can factorize. We can say that n squared minus n squared minus 8n minus 6n minus 48 is equal to 0. N is common here, n common. N into n minus 8 minus 8, that is n into n minus 8 this is when we factorize, this is minus 8, this is minus 8 this is minus 8 plus 6n when we factorize. So this is plus 6 is common here, 6 into n minus 8 is equal to 0, is equal to 0. So we can say n plus 6, n plus 6 into bracket n minus 8 equal to 0. N is equal to negative 6, or n is equal to positive 8, positive 8. And we know that the size of a polygon cannot be negative. So our answer is n. N is equal to 8 sides. So the sides of the polygon, the sides of the polygon is equal to 8. Is equal to 8. So we are being asked, find the number of sides of the polygon. We are being asked, find the number of sides of the polygon. The number of sides of the polygon is going to be, we have found it to be 8. Name the polygon. The polygon with 8 sides is an octagon. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.